Well, it's a bittersweet day. I don't know if you guys can hear me very good, but I sold the OM 606 out of the Land Cruiser. I just don't love it that much. I don't love the turbo lag. Well, that's just the big thing. Driving around the Olympics, it doesn't just have the kick around the corners that I wanted to have. So I'm gonna pull it out and we're gonna find a new motor for this thing. And I don't know what it is yet, but I'm very excited and hope you guys enjoy the journey. Well, for better or worse, I'm doing it. We are yanking the OM 606 out and prepping the engine bay for the new engine. You have a deep socket. A ratchet. Second drawer down, I think. Okay, we're making a comeback. So, last you guys saw, I sold the motor in the Land Cruiser, and that was back in November. Pulled it out, got rid of it, and went to the junkyard and found the LS. Here we are. So, just pulled the heads off of it, put some spray paint on it, and I have new camshaft for it, new timing kit for it, all the gaskets. Basically just gonna freshen the thing up, put it in the Land Cruiser, and be rocking and rolling. Like I said before, I just didn't really like the turbo lag on the turbo diesel. The fuel mileage wasn't even as good as I was hoping. I was hoping for close to 20, and I was barely getting 16, 17. It's like I can probably do pretty close to that in an LS. Plus the fuel's 20% cheaper, so you can have a 20% fuel mileage deficit over diesel, and it still works out to the same. Sorry for the delay. I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I'm going to try and get back into it. We sheetrocked and insulated the garage, so it looks way different in here. And I bought a house, or my wife and I bought a house, and so that has kept me plenty busy. But hoping to start going on these YouTube videos again. So that's going to conclude it for this video on pulling the motor out of the Land Cruiser and getting going on this LS. Hopefully on the next video we can do assembly of the LS and start getting into the Land Cruiser.